everyone, welcome to Cook with Shamila. Today I will show you how to make the world famous Negombo Pork Curry. We need 1 kilo of pork cut into cubes, and it should be curry pork, the pork with the fat. 1 tablespoon coconut, dill seeds 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon mustard seed, 2 tablespoons chilli powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon pepper, 5 cloves, 3 cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon white rice. This is to thicken the paste. Coriander 2 tablespoons, 1 onion cut into quarters, 3 cloves of garlic, and Goraka. Scientific name is Garcinia but traded as Goraka. It can aid weight loss. Curry leaves, pandan leaves, water and salt. Now I am going to add all the ingredients to the pot. We need to roast it till coffee brown. You can check this recipe by clicking the description below. This request was made by Mr. Manoranjan Paul, and this is for you. Now the mixture is turning coffee brown, so I am going to add the chilli powder. We need to blend everything to make a good paste. I will add the onions, garlic and Goraka. Now let's blend this. I am going to add the pork into the pot. Then the blended paste. Sufficient water. Salt. Let's close and cook it for some time. We need to stir this occasionally. Need to close it once again and keep. You have to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes. Our Negombo Pork Curry is ready to serve. This is best served with manioc.